Hey guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I am really excited about this one. Yeah, a few days ago, oh gosh, we're a few days ago, last week, whatever. We're on Thursday now. I think it was weekend even, I'm not sure anyway. But over on Dawn's Facebook page, which is Wonky Warriors, she announced that she was going to be having a giveaway. However, she did it with a really cool twist because she announced it in Morse code. And then later on, she posted the kind of rules, if you will, of the giveaway, which was to tell her what your favourite colour was. You didn't have to do it in Morse code, but a lot of us did. I did. And I won. I'm one of 3 people, should I say, that won. So, woohoo! I'm on a roll for winning competitions at the moment, giveaways at the moment. But yeah, so this has literally just arrived minutes ago. Keeping the stamp, that is so cool. But yeah, it's just arrived literally minutes ago and I'm just way too excited, so here I am. Yeah, I love the packaging, Dawn, it's gorgeous. Let's get in it. I obviously know what the prize, well, I know what the prize is, but I'm not going to tell you guys until we open it. But yeah, so excited. Oh wow, look at this. Let's keep the tissue paper because it serves as a good background, and let's zoom in a little bit. I want all focus to be on this because it's just going to be gorgeous. Love the colour for a start, the colour of the bag for a start. There's her card. Let me just check, there's no phone numbers or anything on there. Nope. Okay. So there's the back of her card, that's cool. Asymmetric jewellery designs in honour of women with breast cancer. Easy wear, elegance without the easy wear and elegance without the faff. So there's all her details. Dawn is actually a breast cancer survivor, or well, you know, survivor, yes, but warrior, as she likes to say. She honestly, guys, you need to go and check out her her Facebook page, Instagram, and also just check out her links. I'll post them below. To say everything that she's been through and what have you, her just outlook on life is amazing, and she's very inspirational, you know, it's great. Anyway, just go check her out, guys. She's so funny. Her attitude towards life and everything is funny, and some of her stories are heartbreaking, but she always puts a funny twist on them, you know, positive kind of thing. It's brilliant. But anyway, I love that. That was the Morse code message. Well, that's the Morse code translation. Let's have a see. Fabulous. Okay, so her message on the back is, "Hi Victoria, congrats on the win and thanks for being an amazing member of the Wonkies community. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and remember you are enough, Dawn," and a smiley face. Fabulous. When this came, when she contacted me, sorry guys, I'm all flustered because I'm excited. When she contacted me and announced that I won, she said she was going to do a Morse code bracelet and I could choose any message I wanted to have on it up to the characters of 15. So I chose the word or a phrase. I chose the phrase, "I am enough," not "you are enough." I am enough, because, you know, it's been one of them years and I get constantly reminded you are enough. So this is going to be like my little mantra, if you will, for this year. So love the tissue paper. Next year, sorry. My mantra for next year, well, my word for next year will be enough. Just enough in general. I am enough, and enough of everything. Enough of all the rubbish and everything. Anywho. So this is a little card that says anti-tarnish, silver storage strap. Cool. Look at this, guys. Wow, just beautiful. How gorgeous is that? So yeah, this is a Morse code bracelet, and it's literally like dot dash dash dot dot, you know, blah de blah, and then a cute little bead on the end to be able to alter it, which is awesome. And I probably won't be able to, oh yeah, I can do it. Cool. So you just scooch it up to tighten it or loosen it. Oh, I love that. Awesome. So yeah, you will probably see me wearing this quite a bit throughout this year and next year. So yeah, oh, I love it. I love it. Love, love, love it. I love the colours of it as well. It's just fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Yeah. Oh, just amazing. Love it. Absolutely beautiful. These are available to buy, guys, over on the website, so I will post all the links below. But this is amazing. Thank you so much, Dawn. Yeah, oh, honestly, so chuffed. Thank you very, very much. And guys, please pop on over to check her out. Yeah, and I'm just speechless for once. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much again, Dawn, and please, guys, please go check her out. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again soon. Bye. Back again really quickly, guys. Oh, and I just noticed on the bag, I was so excited and enthusiastic to get in the bag to see what the prize were. I didn't even see the little charm on it. How adorable is that? Fabulous. Thanks a lot again. Bye.